Well, we've known each other for a long time, and
you gotta jump up. Okay, don't put any of that on.
no. Chris here. Did you guys like that intro? Pretty cute, huh? For those of you who are new to our channel, welcome. My name is Chris Batista, and this is Batista Family Farm. I am number 6 of the Batista family clan. If you guys think that's a lot, my dad is 11 of 17. And I guess you guys could say with such a large family dynamic, it's what makes us such good community people. And it really drives us to want to talk and connect with each and every one of you. For those of you who already know me, for following us on Instagram, Facebook, I'm Chris, and well, I'm everywhere. From anywhere between milking the cows, processing the milk, you name it. Today, in today's special, I will be introducing 2 of my lovely sisters, Jolene and Mary. Well, not just my sisters, the whole squad of Batista Family Farm. Everything that makes us, us.
So, we're sisters. There's a total of 6 kids. There are 4 girls.
That's right.
We're 2 of the girls. And I'm number 3.
Look, they know how to count.
Oh. Hey Zach, what you doing
I don't
here?
know why I did that.
Well,
older,
thought
taller.
I'd stop on by,
No.
see what we have going on
More
here.
beautiful.
Okay.
No, that's
Sounds
not
good.
true. That's not true. She's gorgeous. And, different dynamic. You know, grew up in kind of different time frames, but we both bring different things to the table. And
A lot of energy, a lot of feistiness, but we both work well together and we get jobs done. Yeah, definitely an organized bunch we are.
2 little bulls in the pen
behind
sometimes.
the scenes, Mary do a lot of office and clerical work. Maybe a few of our vendors that are watching this
Yeah, you're like, who the
might have
heck
gotten a
is
phone call
this?
from
Yeah.
me, and you're like, who's that? One of Zach's
Don't hang
daughters.
up.
That's all you
Yeah,
gotta know
don't
is one of them is calling you. So
That's them.
that's a little bit about us, and hope we can share a little more soon.
Hey guys, how's it going? We are the Leche Boys, and we just want to take a little time to introduce ourselves
Mikey
today
B.
so you can get to know us. My name's Mike,
My name's Zach.
and
Joker.
I think, well, we've known each other for a long
A really
time.
long time.
And when was it? Do you?
It's pretty long. It's a pretty
Yeah,
long
I don't
story.
think we got time.
You
Yeah.
don't want to hear
Long
this.
story.
I mean, unless you
Time
really
for
want to,
If you really
my
want
brother-in-law
to,
now, though.
comment below.
let us know.
Married his
Yeah.
sister, and
I treat him just like one of the
yeah.
brothers.
We beat him
And
No.
so I
to
think
keep him in line.
at least
No.
for me,
Never
what's
beat
really
Mikey.
cool is coming into
Well,
this family dynamic.
maybe,
and,
yeah. Love taps.
Just seeing how hard that everybody works here, and it, I just try to fit in anywhere I
He
can.
does fit in.
Oh,
where-
yeah, he fits in real well.
Like a
This
square
guy comes
cog
in,
in a round
you
hole.
know, somebody's got
Does
to
that
drive the truck.
fit?
That's right.
Well,
No,
he drives.
Oh.
not
He was
well.
having such
Well.
a good time delivering milk,
Yeah,
so I jumped in and started
Yeah.
driving too.
yeah. So he drives. I give directions, and I mean, I think you guys, if you've seen us out there, you know it works.
Oh, yeah.
It works. And so yeah, I mean,
If you hear a medium-sized knock at your door and and you don't know who it is, it's not an Amazon package, is it?
No, definitely not.
It's
Yeah.
it's fresh milk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Batista Family Farms. Brought possible by the Late J Boys.
Okay, so. Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my big brother
Hey,
Zach.
Mary. Hey, girl.
Trouble.
Zach is the big jokester of the bunch.
I'm dead
and
serious all the
If
time.
you aren't built tough, which we all are, so that's good.
I don't think I've ever
then
told
you
a
gotta
doggone
get
joke in my
out,
life.
Because Zach likes to tease, but he's pretty funny, so we'll keep him around.
You just gotta keep it light. You gotta keep it fresh.
That's
You
words
gotta
of wisdom
keep
right
it
there.
going.
Light and
You know,
fresh.
keep
Yeah.
the mood.
Gotta make him
Keep it
crazy.
Almost like
happy.
our milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your
Oh, hey,
favorite
that's
brother
me.
though?
Yeah, who's your favorite, Mary?
Oh, out of me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, Zach.
Oh.
She just
what?
said it.
Dang.
On camera.
Dang.
Shots fired.
No, I was gonna say something about each of
You
you.
can almost pinpoint
So,
where his
Zach,
sweet
of
little
course,
heart
plays that
busted
big
open.
brother role, and I feel like if I need somebody to, pounce, I'm like, Zach, that's, go get him.
That
Go get him,
backhand
Zach.
swing, real
Christopher
hard
is obviously
sometimes.
more,
Yeah, that's true.
sweet, and he's a great listener. So you guys are both there for me in
Oh, she
different
loves
ways,
it.
and I love it. I love you both.
So much love.
This is our family. These are the faces that make up Batista Family Farms. Behind the scenes, every day, making it possible. Thank you for supporting us, and we hear you and we see you.
I see you, Verdell Reynolds.
I see you, Nicole Schmidt.
I see you, little Emma.
Anthony Cavney.
Amy Alvo,
Go Gomes!
all of our customers, we thank you, we love you, and we just can't wait to keep supporting you in this beautiful community.
Thank you.
BRBFF.
Bye.
We got a lot more to name, too.
Yeah.
We know each and every one of you by name.
We love all of you.
Not in a creepy way.
Did you guys think that was it? No, that's only 2 of my sisters. There's 2 more. Oh man, we're starting to look like the Kardashian clan. But it's alright. Zach Jr., my dad, Mikey, and myself, we hold it down pretty well. Now stay tuned for more adventures from Batista Family Farm and order some of our liquid gold now. Trust us, you'll be hooked.